How to market your home, even if it's dated, messy, or needs repairs. All right, let's talk about how to actually market your house when you're getting ready to sell. Whether it's something you've lived in for 30 years or a property you just inherited and aren't sure what to do with yet. We talk a lot about cash offers versus listing on the market, and both have their place, but today's focus applies to every home, no matter what shape it's in. How your house looks online is going to decide how much money you walk away with. And here's the truth. Great presentation leads to better photos. Better photos bring more buyers. More buyers means more money. This applies whether your house is completely updated or still has shag carpet from 1979. Even homes that need repairs will sell for more and faster when they're clean, decluttered, and photographed well. Step 1. Declutter like you're moving tomorrow. First thing, get the extra stuff out. Inherited a property full of furniture and boxes? We can help with that. Still living there and planning to sell? Clear off surfaces, tuck away clutter, get rid of anything that makes a space feel small or messy. This is especially important in homes that need work. The less chaos there is, the easier it is for the buyer to see potential, even if the kitchen is outdated or the carpet needs replacing. Staging works even in outdated homes. People think staging only applies to fancy or fully renovated house. Not true. Even a dated home benefits from thoughtful furniture arrangement and visual flow. If you're still living in it, bring in a stager who can rework what you already have. If it's vacant, staging can bring life to an empty room that might otherwise feel cold or small. Buyers don't need perfection, they just need to see themselves living there. Step 3, deep clean, no matter the condition. Clean sells, period. That dated kitchen that smells fresh and has shiny countertops will outperform a newer one that's grimy and smells like last night's dinner. Hire a pro to get in every corner. Scrub the oven knobs and the faucet bases. Detail the floors, carpets, and windows. Eliminate odors, especially pet or smoke smells. Even if the house needs updates, cleanliness signals care, and that builds buyer confidence. Step 4, light makes every room better. Dark, closed off spaces feel small, and that hurts your bottom line. So open the blinds. Remove those old pull-down shades and heavy curtains. Let natural light in. Clean your windows inside and out. Light makes every home feel bigger, fresher, and more welcoming, whether it's brand new or it hasn't been updated in 40 years. Hire a real photographer. No DIY here. A good photographer can make a dated home look charming instead of tired. They know how to capture space, depth, and natural light in ways that show your home's potential, not just its problems. Bad photos, especially taken on a phone or in bad lighting from weird angles, will absolutely kill interest. We've seen it happen. Don't let a great opportunity turn into a stale listing because of bad presentation. Here's the bottom line. No matter what condition your home is in, whether it's fully updated, needs cosmetic work, or is a full-blown fixer-upper, presentation matters. Clean it, declutter it, light it up, stage it smart, and photograph it like it belongs in a magazine. This strategy adds value to every property. We've helped sellers who thought their house was too far gone walk away with thousands more by following these simple steps. Ready to sell smarter? At Kansas City Legacy Properties, we specialize in helping homeowners sell with confidence. Even if the house is dated, inherited, or in rough shape. No pressure, no tricks, just honest guidance to help you walk away with the best deal possible. And if you want a cash offer, we can do that too. Click the link below to schedule a call. We'll talk through your options and show you exactly what your home could be worth with the right strategy. Kansas City Legacy Properties, honest, transparent, local.